Relying on one paycheck is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. If that one rope breaks due to a layoff, an illness, or an economic crash, you fall. Truly wealthy people always have at least 3 different ways money flows into their life. Today, I'm showing you the income trifecta and how you can build it from scratch. Stream 1, the active income, the engine. This is your main job or your primary business. This is the money you work for every day. The goal here is to maximize this income by gaining new skills, asking for raises, or switching to higher paying industries. This engine provides the raw fuel, the cash, that you will use to build your other 2 streams. Never spend your entire active income. Use it to buy your freedom. Stream 2, the side hustle, the accelerator. This is your secondary income. It could be freelancing, selling on Etsy, or driving for Uber on weekends. This stream is designed to be extra money. All the money from this stream should go directly toward investments or paying off debt. It's the accelerator because it speeds up your journey to wealth. If your job covers your bills, your side hustle builds your future. Stream 3, the investment income, the passive stream. This is the ultimate goal. This is money earned from dividends, rental properties, or interest from your savings. In the beginning, this stream will be tiny, maybe just $5 a month. But as you reinvest your profits from Stream 1 and Stream 2 into Stream 3, it will eventually grow large enough to pay for your entire lifestyle. This is when you are officially work optional. The snowball effect. Managing 3 streams sounds exhausting, but once they are set up, they feed each other. Your job pays for your life, your side hustle pays for your stocks, and your stocks eventually pay for everything. In America, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. We are starting with 3 because it's manageable and proven to work for anyone willing to put in the effort. Your assignment. Look at your bank account today. If you only have 1 stream, your mission this week is to find your second one. It doesn't matter how small it is, just start the flow. Tomorrow, for day 26, we tackle the most boring but important topic, USA tax basics and how to save money on taxes.